Hi everyone, congratulations on making the life-changing decision to enroll in this course. Hi, my name is Joe Paris and I'm a six-figure online instructor serving more than 275,000 unique students in more than 60 courses here on Udemy. Now, before we get started with this course, I wanted to mention something very special. First, this course is packed with bonuses, and I want to draw your attention to the very last lecture of this course because I'm doing something in this course that I've never done in any of my other courses. There are very special bonuses in the very last lecture. So after this video is complete, I suggest that you go all the way to the end of the course and check out our special bonus lecture. It's packed with resources, materials, and everything to help you become a full-time teacher with Udemy.com. Now, after this video, you go down to the bonus lecture. I suggest you come right back up to video number 2, where I'm going to go through the course syllabus, and I'm going to be teaching you what this course has to offer, all of the benefits to you, and how I've designed this course so that you can get the maximum benefits. This course is not meant to be a course that's long-winded. It's meant to be a course to show you the essential techniques to get you from where you are right now to six figures and beyond. By the time that you're done with this course, you're going to have the understanding of how to become a full-time teacher and earn thousands of dollars in passive income each and every month teaching online. So I just wanted to formally welcome you. Thank you so much for enrolling. Now go all the way down to the bottom of the course, check out the very special bonus video, and then come all the way back up to the course syllabus so that we can get started.